turning the mode adjustment key to winch position, and check if the Run OK signal light is on. Press both run buttons at the same time to see if the slide moves when the buttons are pressed and if the slide stops when the fingers are lifted from the buttons. While testing the slide, listen to the sound of abnormality. Press run buttons to make sure the press machine works, only when 2 run buttons are pressed at the same time. Run a test to see if the slide stops after releasing the run buttons when the slide is at 165 degrees over from the top dead center position. The slide needs to stop and must continue working only while both run buttons are pressed. Turning the key to single mode and make sure that Run OK signal light is on. Run the machine in single mode to see if lifting the fingers from run buttons at 165 degrees over from the top dead center position. The slide must stop precisely at top dead center position. Stop position or deviate by no more than 10 degrees. Lastly, to test the continuous mode, turns the key to cont position and press the arrow up button until the light is on. Press the 2 run buttons to operate press machine in continuous mode. After the continuous mode works properly, press top stop button and confirm. The slide stops at the top dead center position.